Hey guys, welcome to this brand new channel where I teach you how to create PROCREATE brushes that are so easy to make so you don't have to purchase them from various places or go through the hassle of downloading and importing. You can just make them yourself. And for this first brush, we are starting easy. We are making a simple monoline calligraphy brush. It's known as monoline because it's the same width all throughout the brush stroke and there's no opacity or size variation no matter how hard or how not so hard you press. I'll show you how to achieve smooth curves and straight lines using this brush, in case you're training your steady artist hands. Before you know it, you'll be creating IG and Pinterest-worthy creations in no time. So, let's get started and make this brush. Open an existing canvas or tap a new one by tapping the plus icon here. Access the Brush Studio by tapping on the brush icon to open the brush library. If you want to, make a new brush folder to place all of your creations in by dragging the brush panel down with one finger and then tapping the plus sign with the other. In your empty brush folder, tap the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, under Stroke Properties, set the spacing to 5. To prevent opacity change when you brush lightly, go to Apple Pencil and set your opacity under pressure all the way down to 0. Let's test this brush on the canvas by tapping Done. The stroke width and shade are where we want it, but we've got a little bit of wobble on these lines. At least I do. If you're like me, here's how to fix that and make smoother strokes. Tap on the brush icon again. Tap your untitled brush to go back into the settings. Go to Stabilization tab. And under Streamline, set Amount to Max. And Pressure to 50%. Under Stabilization, set that to 50 as well. And in motion filtering, set that amount to 50. If you want AI to help you with your brush strokes, just set your expression to 50 as well. Just don't go all the way too hard with these two, otherwise you'll just make straight lines. These stabilization settings work best for slow and deliberate brushstrokes. Notice what happens when I draw fast brushstrokes. The brushstrokes don't stay because there's too much stabilization. If you find yourself with a steadier hand and you want to draw faster, all you gotta do is go back into these settings and just set them down. And there you have it, a smooth and consistent monoline calligraphy brush that you can use for lettering and these trendy continuous line art. I hope you guys found this useful. If you did, please consider subscribing. This is the first of many, so make sure you hit that notification bell to let you know when new videos are posted. And if you do make this brush, please let me know what you create on Instagram with the hashtag #MakeThisBrush. Thank you so much for watching. Leave us a like and comment below if you feel like it. And until next time, take care. Bye.